you need to sign in with a Microsoft account in Windows 11, but many people don't want to do it for privacy reasons. Do you want to stop using Microsoft account on your Windows 11 PC? In this video, you will see how to sign out of Microsoft account on Windows 11 PC. There are two methods. The first one is to create a new local account, and the other one is to convert your current account into a local account. Let's start with the first one. Create a new local account and use it. To stop using Microsoft account on your Windows 11 PC, the first option you have is you can create a new local account and use that. You can then remove the Microsoft account from your PC. The only downside is you will have to transfer the personal data to the new account. Open the settings, go to the Accounts tab, here scroll down, and click on Other Users. Then click on the Add Account. Here click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then on the next screen, click on Add a User without a Microsoft account. Here fill in the username and password, then select Security Questions and click Next. The new account is created. Now we need to make this account as administrator. So expand it here and click on Change Account Type. From here, select Administrator. Click OK. Now sign out of your current user account, then select the new account and sign in. Now you can transfer the data from your old account to this one. Open the settings and go to Accounts. Here go to Other Users, then expand your old account. Now click on the Remove button of Account and Data. Confirm your action by clicking on Delete Account and Data. Convert your current account into a local account. Another safe and easy option for you is to convert your Microsoft account on a Windows 11 PC into a local account. In this step, you don't need to transfer the data from Documents, Download, and Desktop. Open Settings. Go to the Accounts section. Here click on your info. Here under the Account settings, you will see Microsoft account. You will also see a label Sign in with a local account instead. Click on it. Then on this screen, click Next. You will have to enter your PIN or password for this account. Enter it. Then on the next screen, you will have to enter the local account information. Type your username, enter a new password, and password hint. Once done, click on Next. Here you need to click on Sign Out and Finish. You will be signed out and the new account you will see will be the local account. Enter the password you have set and log in. In the Account section, you can see the current account is a local account. You must note that your Microsoft account is still signed into other services like personalized newsfeed and email. If you want to remove them as well, you can click on this Manage Accounts button. Or in the Settings app, go to Accounts, then select Email and Accounts. Here, expand your Microsoft account, then click the Remove button. Confirm your action by clicking on Yes. Now use your Windows 11 as a local account.